One of the most important pieces of machinery in an auto body shop is the air compressor machine. It's that important because it's the source of power for most of the tools used in the workshop, such as sanders, grinders, sand blasters, air hammers, impact wrenches and so on. There are many products available to choose air compressors, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best air compressors from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 60V Max FlexVolt Cordless 2.5-gallon air compressor. If you want an air compressor you can use to fill your tires and even power tools like nailers anywhere you want without worrying about electricity to power the machine, then you should get one like this DeWalt DCC 2560T1. It's a cordless air compressor unit powered by DeWalt 60V FlexVolt battery. The 60V FlexVolt battery powers a super-efficient brushless motor and a heavy-duty oil-free pump which compresses the air and makes it available in a 2.5-gallon pancake tank. The DeWalt DCC 2560T1 produces up to 1.2 SCFM of air volume at 90 psi and produces a maximum pressure of 135 psi, which makes it very versatile for a whole range of applications. Even though it's cordless, the FlexVolt battery gives a long run time per charge. In fact, when powering a pneumatic nailer, can be used to fire up to 12-20 nails per a single charge. The whole unit weighs just 21.5 pounds and has a rubberized handle, which makes it very portable and convenient to carry with just one hand to wherever you need to work with it. With just 79 decibels of noise produced, it's a machine. Number 2. Porter Cable 20-gallon air compressor, producing up to 5 CFM at 40 psi and 4.0 CFM at 90 psi. The Porter Cable model PXCM-F220VW air compressor has all the capacity you need to handle most of the projects you'll handle in your shop or on the job site. Projects such as loosening tight-fitting lug nuts with pneumatic impact wrenches, powering pneumatic sanders, filling car tires, and even operating framing nailers are comfortably within the capacity of this air compressor unit. It comes equipped with a V-twin cast iron pump with an easy-to-maintain 1.5 HP oil-free induction motor that starts easily even on low voltages, even though it's rated at 120 volts, allowing easy and convenient operations. The tank size is 20 gallons, which is not the largest you can go for, but it's definitely not the smallest as well, and will definitely keep up with moderate air demand tasks in the workshop or on the job site. Number 3. Craftsman 10-gallon air compressor. If you want a suitable and reliable 10-gallon air compressor you can use to operate pneumatic tools like nailers, simple D-paint sprayer, chisels, air hammers and so on, then you should definitely check out this Craftsman model CMXCCXA0331042. It comes equipped with a powerful 1.8 horsepower induction motor coupled with an efficient and durable pump to fill up the 10-gallon tank. The tank fills up from 0 to full in just 3 minutes, reducing downtime and thus speeding up your work. It produces a maximum pressure. Number 4. When 20-gallon oil lubricated air compressor. If you don't want to spend much on an air compressor but you still need one with a pretty big size tank like 20 gallons, then this WEN 2202T might just be what you're looking for. The WEN 2202T is a very budget-friendly air compressor compared with other ones I've seen that even have smaller tanks. Although it's an oil lubricated unit, which means you have to change the oil every once in a while to keep it running properly. However, it also means less noise produced compared with the oil-free ones because the oil lubrication really brings down friction and noise in the engine. The 20-gallon tank is made of reinforced steel and allows up to a maximum pressure of 135 psi, while it produces airflows at the rate of 5.0 CFM at 40 psi and 3.8 CFM at 90 psi. It features a 15-amp induction motor and a single-stage oil lubricated pump which works efficiently to fill up the tank with compressed air at high pressures. Number 5. Quincy Splash Lubricated Reciprocating 60-gallon air compressor. The US-made Quincy QT54 is one of the most reliable and well-built 60-gallon air compressors I have reviewed. It comes equipped with a single-phase motor coupled with a 2-stage cast iron belt drive pump which produces up to a maximum pressure of 175 psi. In the reinforced cast iron vertical tank. The pump life is rated for 30,000 hours, which is quite impressive, but I'm quite sure you can get it to last more than that depending on how well you use it. The heavy-duty Balder industrial motor is connected to a large blanched cast iron flywheel, which provides. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.